Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, check your internet connection by testing upload speed. Aim for at least 5 Mbps upload for consistent streaming quality. Next, open the Facebook app and confirm camera and microphone permissions are enabled. Set your stream to 720p at 30 fps for better reliability on mobile networks. Prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or wired Ethernet when possible to reduce latency and packet loss. Finally, close other heavy apps that consume bandwidth before going live. If you experience issues, restart the Facebook app and clear its cache. Reboot your device to refresh system resources and network interfaces. Use a private test stream to trial bitrate and resolution settings before public sessions. Lower the bitrate to 2,500 kbps or 1,500 kbps for weaker connections to avoid buffering. Disable VPNs and limit other network users during the stream to preserve bandwidth. Keep the device plugged into power to prevent thermal throttling or sudden shutdowns. For persistent problems, use an external encoder such as OBS or Streamlabs on a computer. Configure the encoder for 1280 x 720 resolution and target bitrate near 3,500 kbps for higher quality. Set the keyframe interval to 2 seconds in encoder settings, which Facebook recommends. Input the RTMP URL and stream key provided by Facebook to connect reliably. Monitor stream health in Creator Studio to view dropped frames and latency statistics in real time. Update your app, firmware, or drivers and contact support if the issue continues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.